Understanding Boiler Repair, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, boiler repair. This phrase is commonly used in everyday language, especially when dealing with household maintenance. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it correctly. Before understanding boiler repair, it's crucial to know what a boiler is. A boiler is a type of equipment or device that heats water or any other type of fluid. It's often used in homes and buildings for heating purposes and providing hot water. Boilers are common in colder regions and are an essential part of many heating systems. Now, let's break down the phrase, boiler repair. Repair refers to the act of fixing something that is broken or damaged. Therefore, boiler repair involves the process of fixing a boiler that is not working correctly or has some issues. This could include fixing leaks, addressing heating problems, or replacing worn-out parts. To fully grasp the phrase, let's see how it is used in sentences. Our boiler stopped working, so we called a technician for boiler repair. Learning basic boiler repair skills can be very handy in winter. The company offers boiler repair services at a reasonable price. Notice how the phrase is commonly used to refer to the service or action of fixing a boiler. Understanding phrases like boiler repair is essential for practical English language use, especially when dealing with household issues. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in expanding your English vocabulary. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.